strap this boy back up. What's going on, y'all? SCS and all. Another one. Steve Davis _CG 1_ is my only Instagram. I'm about to go ahead and put it right there for y'all. What you doing? You eating that old fry? Get there. So man, today man, gotta get some work done. I dropped my rim off, get some work done. There's one more thing I had to do. Pick up some material. I pulled the Donk out, man, take pictures. I pulled it out, I was like, man, this one got a slow leak, man. Hold on, see if I can get over there. Matter of fact, I don't even think I'm about to do this right now. I already paid for the tire because I wanted matching tires. I got 3 long hearts and 1 something else. Yeah, see. I don't feel like pulling the skirts off. Getting the tire off ain't no, the wheel off ain't no problem. Got my subs in here. Yeah. It's another reason why I wanted to get the doozy fixed. I don't have to be putting all that stuff in here. Got this tow rack. You know what? I am finna go ahead and pull the car out. Because I'm finna literally ride right past College Park Customs. I need to get that tire did. Hopefully I can pick it up on the way back. What you doing? But yeah, I'm finna switch up my pricing, man. I'm going up so I can have time. I don't be having time to do nothing. Literally. So if I go up, I have some time to do stuff with my car, stuff with my house. There's a bunch of stuff I gotta do, need to do. Should have been done. But yeah, I'm just stuck doing work. So if I go up, I do less work, same amount of money, have more time. So that's what I'm doing. Bourbon definitely need a wash. After running to Chicago a second time, that was unexpected. See, I think I left my key in here. I could pull this up, turn the Donk around, put it back in. That way I can get the tire from over this side. It'll be right there. So let's see if the battery's still charged. Probably not. I got something in there. Not enough. So I'm gonna pull this out, turn Donk around, take the tire off. So I'll get my I think they got a lock set for those. Go get my lock set and my impact, and then I'm gonna strap it to the back of this Suburban. That way I don't have to put the tire in my car. Put the tire in here, man. Scuffed up everything. I was like, yeah, I don't want no tires in here. This car smelling like good exhaust. Can't wait to drive this car, man. For real. For real. Trunk gonna be knocking. It's coming. The whole inside of the car done. Well, besides the fabrication. But let's get this show started, man. Yeah, this one bit loose. I ain't got no power steering. I did take that belt off. I was trying to fix the Suburban. I took the AC compressor off here. Need to move this Malibu. Man, I was about to try to put the damn belt back on, but I forgot. This tensioner went bad on my Suburban too. So I took that off here. So something I need to remember. But yeah, I'm finna find a way to turn this car around. Give me 1 second. Big duty gang. It was down. Like I said, it's still down. It's just good enough to me to do what I gotta do with it. I'm not going no road trips or nothing no time soon. What I'm about to do right now is take that tensioner off this gold Chevy. Put another on silver so I put the belt back on. So I got some power steering and a car can charge. Cause now the gas pedal don't work because the voltage too low. Knock that out. Then I gotta find a wheel lock. I'm only doing it because I'm literally got to ride right past it. All right, got that. This motor right here is going in this car. This motor right here may just go in that car for now, but this motor claps out, man. That 305 is at its limit. That boy smoking, exhaust leak. The exhaust leak ain't nothing to do with the motor, but that motor tired and that go-kart don't get driven, so just put it in there to move it around. I was trying to find another motor to put in that gold Chevy, but I was like, man, I don't even drive this car enough to even play with it. Like, I ain't played with that car in like 2-3 years, man. So let's put this little 40 on real quick and get to trying to get this tire off. Alright, got that. And I always be having to look at the routing system on this. I know. Let me just go look it up, damn. I'm trying to remember how it is so many times. I just gotta go look it up. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Let me figure it out. Alright, yeah, I got it. So this is how I always remember. You gotta go all the way around the harmonic balancer and all the way around the bottom of the power steering. So yeah, let me go ahead and put it on. And then start, let it run, have power steering, pedal will work again. And then we're gonna move that other car around so I can get that tire off. Alright. Y'all, let me talk about my intake, man. I did this swap 5 years ago. Before everybody started doing them swaps and screaming swaps. I'm gonna change it eventually. Well, I'm gonna move this car so I can move the Donk around, take the tire off inside the garage. So, everything working now. Get this stuff moved around. Voltage was too low. And it wasn't charging, but let's get it. Got power steering now. Man, we definitely doing a swap rule on this. See, I put a new starter, new flywheel, 2 new starters. I ain't gonna even lie, I don't even want to deal with this motor. I might send it to a machine shop and have it rebuilt completely because it got aluminum heads. It got a lot of nice parts, but I don't know what nothing is. I don't know if it's collabing right or, you know, working together. Starter been shimmed, everything. Even when I had this thing on 14 volts, it still be doing stuff like this. I hate it. Y'all tell me, but I ain't even allowed this motor coming out. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it right now, but it's coming out. That's that oil pressure though. Probably throw that away. Y'all, I ain't record the video when I brought these posts in. Man, it took me about 2.5 hours to get just that and that in here. Then y'all seen when I was moving all the sewing. This was the sewing stuff when I moved all that. So all of this right here is for the lifts and these posts. All of this right here is going in the trash. That's my hot track conversion set, and then that's material and stuff. It's all gotta get sorted. This garage got to be like a regular house garage. I probably put my lawnmower in here. Over there. I don't know though. But all that's coming down. The shelves I might keep up. I may or may not put some stuff in here. I mean, I don't know what I'll put in here because I don't really even come here no more. So I have to go and open the door and go in the house. But this shelf is definitely gonna leave because I want the lift post to be behind. So yeah, that shelf do gotta come down. Cause I want the post to be like on the wall. Cause you still gonna have a gap from the pillars and then the feet. So I need to have as much door opening space as possible. Bring in for my 7.5 that's in the yard. J-Rock, I need the rest of my parts. He got my parts. I let the rack down. Let's get it. About to go ahead and put this 4G on the truck. I need this tire back too, just in case. It hold air, it just leaks slow. But I already have matching tires and still have my old tire just in case. All right, so got to head. Yeah, drop this boy off. And then pick up the fabric from the fabric store. I made it. I got to get it on the tire. Let's see if I can get some footage. Man, I was gonna try to get some footage, but now that I got my own shop, I don't be liking people coming up there and record, so I ain't getting no footage. Chrome was peeling on it. It's crazy. I had just got it from y'all. It's from that old tire though. Alright, man. Strap this boy back up. Yep. Luxury stuff. Luxury. Nah, it ain't luxury. I always want this truck though, so I be cracking them jokes. Alright, we got our material. This is light blue for this guy named Derwin. Hit me up on Facebook. Also, I'm doing some setups for some people, some door panels, armrests. I ran out of material. I'm like, damn. I got enough for the door panels and the armrests, but I ain't have enough to wrap the lower panels, so I had to come back and get that. I'll straighten them out. What else I ordered? Oh yeah, some more for a console too. Yeah, I'm just getting all this stuff, man. Thought I was gonna take this weekend off, but unlucky me. I'm not gonna take this weekend off. I need to catch up. Man, I went to Chicago twice. Once I'm catching up from it, and the second time it was 2 days. I ain't really catching up from it, but still put a little dent in my schedule. But so this weekend should be the last weekend. I had to work for real hard, and then yeah, should be able to do what I want after that again. Way over here in North Georgia. Let's get this petrol. $75. Alright, made it back. Oh yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna put this on here, man. I told y'all I'm saying mount them up. So we gonna see. Alright, man. Oh, tired. Bought this Regal up here. Gotta take it back home. I thought it'd been done by now. Paid for some help. Help got paid. The work ain't get completed. Like not even partially right, man. Like got the cost still right. That's why I just like to do stuff myself. I don't wasted money trusting somebody to do something. Didn't complete it. Still got paid. The owner real patient with me, man, but I was telling him he could just get the car and bring it back, but like, man, you already had it this long, just keep it. Alright, cool. Man, I hate wasting money, and I hate people wasting my time, man, because I already don't have time as it is. It's definitely a real stupid situation. But on the way to the house, drop this off, pick up my other daughter. Then I gotta do some work on the computer real quick, ship it. And then regular work after that, I believe. Alright, the Regal back at the house shop, put my trailer back up. Then I gotta go pick up my daughter. Then I'm gonna ship something real quick, if the post office is still open. I would go to UPS, but my subs for that silver car ain't come, so my amp came, but my subs didn't come, so I don't want to go over there if I ain't getting both. And I'm shipping this weekend, I think. So yeah, catch y'all back on in a sec.
Please wait while your receipt is being processed.
Renewing my car wash plan.
Please wait while your receipt is being processed.
Yep. So let's get this washed.
Thank you for your business.
Put my tire shine on when I get to the house. Recording. Cleaning my wheels off. I already knew I was gonna have to. They got the tires pretty good though.
Tubby.
With the pressure wash.
Stop, baby.
I still gotta take this thing to the dealership, man. I got extended tags. What? The red?
This black stuff.
Oh, that's exhaust.
Huh?
That's from a car running when I was moving these cars. I gotta take this to the dealership. Get the check engine light took off from the computer getting changed, and I think I need an O2 sensor. So, hoping 5,600. Then I'll be able to get my emission, get my real plates. Like I said, I ain't been having time for nothing. And I gotta change that because this is not how I live my life of my dream. So, gotta get that fixed. This is that coverall tire shine. Had 2 people put me on. I like it. I like it. To keep my tires like moist. Not wet, but moist. And we looking good though.